Hi, welcome to Country Camping Corner. Inside of this nice little pop-up camper that's super lightweight at 2,700 pounds, you have all the comforts of home. A queen-size bed that you can plug in to keep it warm on those nice fall nights. You also have a full bath hookup with shower and a toilet. You have a sink, 2-burner cooktop, and a nice little fridge. You also have heating and air conditioning, microwave, and a dinette that turns into a smaller bed as well. This camper has a ton of outdoor storage. Where this part of the storage is accessible from this side and the other side, you also have storage up front to store all your outdoor gear, such as your folding chairs and your pop-up tent. This unit also comes with a bracketing system that has a table and a griddle that hooks up right here, so you can make those burgers outside and entice all the neighbors to come and visit you at your campsite.